Hey friends, if you wish to install older versions of AMD drivers on your computer, then please watch this video. So search for AMD drivers. Now you can scroll down and then you can click on this one, AMD auto detect tool, and then go to AMD drivers and support. Now don't download these drivers, this is different. So you will have to scroll down and choose the driver which you specifically want. Let's say you want a Radeon driver and a graphic one, so you'll have to select the series and all. I'm just selecting these randomly to find the drivers. So you can get the older versions here. Let's say you wanted the Windows 10 64-bit version, the older one. So you here's the oldest ones that you can get, I think up to 2021 when you're in 2025. So you can download them and then you can click on open to install them. I won't click on open because they won't be compatible with my system, but you this is what you have to do. Just click on open and it will install it on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.